Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. In this video, we are going to discuss Chapter 7, Coordinate Geometry. You have studied the same topic in class 9th. So let us revise it first. So this is our Cartesian plane. This horizontal line is our x-axis. This vertical line is our y-axis. X-axis and y-axis divide the plane into 4. It is known as quadrants. This is first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. And this is fourth quadrant. Then the points on x-axis. The points on x-axis is of the form x0 because the y-coordinate of the points on x-axis will be 0. Then points on y-axis is of the form 0y because the x-coordinate of the point on the y-axis will be 0. This is our origin. The coordinates of origin is 0, 0. This is another point xy. It's x coordinate x, y coordinate y. So x coordinate is this length. Means what is the number coming here? This is the first number x coordinate. So x coordinate or abscissa is the distance from y axis. How much it is away from the y axis? That is x coordinate. Then y coordinate is how much it is above from the x-axis. So y coordinate is the distance from x-axis. There is another name for x coordinate, it is abscissa. Another name for y coordinate, it is ordinate. Now you see here I have drawn a number line and marked the points 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easily we can find out what is the distance between each point or the distance between 1 and 4. In the Cartesian plane also I have marked 2 points A here x1, y1 and another point B here with the coordinates x2, y2. Then how can we calculate the distance between A and B? If the distance is very small, we can use one's ruler and find out the distance. But if it is large, there is another idea in coordinate geometry, that is the distance formula. Distance formula is if A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 are 2 points on the Cartesian plane, the distance between A and B, that is AB equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. For example, suppose A is the point 2, 3 and B is the point minus 2, 4. How can we find out the distance between A and B? By using our distance formula. So here this is the first point 2, 3. That is x1, y1 is 2 and 3. So let us write x1, 2, y1, 3. This is our x2, y2. So x2 is minus 2, y2 is 4. So let us write it first. So we have written here 8, 2, 3. So x1 equal to 2 and y1 equal to 3. This is x1, y1. Then b minus 2, 4. So x2 equal to minus 2 and y2 equal to 4. It is not compulsory. You should have to take a x1, y1 and b x2, y2. It is not needed. You can select b also as x1, y1 because we know the distance between A to B is same as B to A. So you can consider any point as the first point and any point as the second point. So we can use this formula to find out the distance between A and B. We have the distance formula AB equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So AB equal to minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square. Here you see x2 is minus 2, x1 is 2. So minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square. Now let us calculate it. That is equal to minus 4 square plus 1 square. That is equal to root of 16 plus 1 equal to root 17. So the distance between A and B is root of 17. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.